BMRN stock analysis, massive update for Monday is Biomarin Pharmaceutical stock of Biome. I'll be breaking this down in this quick and short 1-minute video. Now here's the thing, it's a bearish market for sure, but also, you know what I mean, like, unless I see a second break beneath 56.35, then there's just no way that I will look to take things further lower, because I just recently was inside this bearish opportunity, and all I wanted to see, you know, is a double break to take it down, and which I saw, and then it came back up, hit my break even. Especially now with BMRN, it's just a bearish market, you know what I mean? Like, if I come here, I also have like 13 receipts in the Discord, and there's like really nothing else that I'll be adding other than if it breaks me again beneath 56.35, I'm looking to further take it down. When would I be bullish is another question that might come here. I would say, man, if I start seeing breaks about 73 bucks, then yeah, sure, maybe then, but right now, it's not it. See you in the next one.